Standing in my own belief, swinging from the willow tree. Sun is shining, the spotlight over me.
Nagkakilala kami ni Mary doon sa isang scholarship program sa Maynila.
Seatmate po kami noon dati. Pero bago pa yung mangyari, unang pasok ko pa lang sa room namin, sa English class namin, siya po yung unang napansin ko.
Aldrin and Meriton, before you were born, it has been destined and written in the hands of God that on the 11th of July, here in the parish of Annunciation of the Lord, that you would receive the sacrament of marriage, that you would give your sweet yes to each other, the yes that you would love one another forever.
Thought of almost everything, played it out in every dream, but seems in hiding, start unraveling. Bet you were the only one to see what's really blowing every string. Here's to starting over.
Inday, salamat sa na kahit na natagalan tong araw na to, nakasal natin. Salamat kasi inintindi mo ko na bago tayo ikasal, inantay mo muna akong makapag-ready. Naintindihan mo yun. Salamat.
Ito na yung sagot sa isa sa mga dasal ko. Sana maging maganda yung natin ngayon, yung araw natin. Hindi ko in-expect na mangyayari ito sa buhay ko na may tatanggap sa akin, tsaka lagi kong pinagdadasal na may isang taong tatanggap sa akin, tsaka hindi ko akalain na aabot po sa araw na to.
Pagmamahalan ay ina ng lahat ng mga virtudes. Bakit po? Because when you know how to love, other virtues would follow. You'll become humble, faithful, honest, because you are loving. Aldrin, you may now kiss your bride.